Hey soap lovers, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the soap room today making another batch for my Valentine's Day soap collection. First off, as always, I'm going to check the temperature of my oils and then my lye water. You want the temperatures to be within 10 degrees of each other, and here you can see my oils are at 99 degrees and the lye water is at 101, so we're good to go. Let's get mixing. The soap batter is looking great, so I'm just going to finish it off with a little bit of hand mixing, and then we will separate the batter into a couple containers for the colors we'll be using today. Colors I'm using today are Snow White from Mad Micas. This one is called Flash Dance, also from Mad Micas. It's like this gorgeous fuchsia color. And then my third color is a blue color called Aphrodite, which is also from Mad Micas. It is gorgeous. Fragrance we're using today is from Brambleberry. It is called Wild Rose. It's described as having notes of orange peel, pink rose, geranium, mimosa, lily of the valley, vanilla, and musk. And I have to say, it really does smell like you've just stepped into the most beautiful rose garden. So I'm excited to give it a try today. My plan for the design of this soap is to do a blue base and then layer the pink and white just down the middle of the mold, and then take the hanger tool right down through all of the layers to create what's called a feather swirl. I think I've only done this technique once before, so we'll have to wait and see how this turns out. we have all of our layers in place, let's give this a good tap on the table to release any air bubbles. And now I can come in with the hanger tool for the design. I made sure to leave a little extra soap batter for the top so we can do a pretty little swirl design. So here you'll see me finishing up with the white, and then I will come back in with the pink. I'll go ahead and give the soap one final tap on the table, and then we are ready to swirl. And here it is, all done. We're gonna let this sit for 24 hours and we'll come back for the cut tomorrow. And we are back. It's been 24 hours, so let's unmold this soap and start cutting our bars. Okay, here comes the first cut. Did we get a feather swirl? Let's see. Kinda. I wouldn't call it a complete success, but it's still pretty and smells like fresh roses. So I'll take that for the win. Thanks everyone for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.